This is the finished results of our meatball lasagna. Yes, indeed. Y'all thought it was going to turn out ugly, huh? I know y'all did when y'all saw all that stuff. I said, what kind of mess this woman making? But this is the finished result of the meatball lasagna. And I just want you to know that I'm going to serve out a piece and let you see what it looked like. But right now, I just want you to see the presentation. Just took it out the oven and look how it looked. It looked fabulous, don't it, y'all? It looks so fabulous, like it could be on a picture or something, you know? But hey, it's on YouTube. That's good enough for me, y'all. This is Sandra. I just want to tell you happy eating. I'm going to show you how I look with a serving of this meatball lasagna. This is the serving of our meatballs lasagna. I'm going to cut it in half and let's see what it looked like, y'all. Just like this, and show you that meatball in there. Look at that. Ooh, look at that cheese and that meatball. My, that looks so yummy, y'all. That is what I'm talking about, a meatballs lasagna. This is Sandra. I want to tell you, I've come up with some stuff to give it to y'all and let y'all see what y'all can do with it. That meatballs lasagna looks so good. Only thing I can say is that I need a little bit more sauce. I didn't use the sauce I usually get. I'm going to use a spoon, y'all. I didn't use the sauce what I usually get because I didn't have it, so I had to use something else. But use that marinara sauce I always buy. It's good. This is good, y'all. This is good. It's that meatball. In there. Noodles are soft. Meatball is delicious. Look at that. This is wonderful, y'all. This is a wonderful dish. It is fantastic. Oh my goodness. Y'all go crazy over this. A meatball. It's so good. It is so tasty, so rich, so creamy. It is fabulous. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel. I have this recipe in soulfoodqueen.net, so you can go get this recipe. This is one I'm eating with a spoon, y'all. That is so country. But I want to tell you that meatball in there is so good. Try this. And your kids probably say, Mama, why you do the meatball like that? Why you do this? You know, kids watch what you do. You'd be surprised how kids will watch you and you think they're not watching you, but they are. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel. Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and this recipe is one of my recipes that I like to make something different sometimes. That with my oven going off, so when I do this recipe, I can put it in the oven. So what I'm doing now is meatball lasagna. Yes, cheesy meatball Italian lasagna. This is what we're doing today. So I hope everyone is doing fine. I hope everybody's doing great because I'm doing fantastic today. So what we're going to do now is get some cottage cheese and we're going to blend it together with an egg, one egg and cottage cheese. Just blend it together like this. There's something about the egg and the cottage cheese bound together with the lasagna noodles. Okay, we're going to stir this up like that real good. And then I'm going to add some Italian season. Italian season is going to be added to the cottage cheese and the egg. Just like as much as you want. Now, it depends on how you want it. If you want it kind of Italian taste, put a lot. If you don't want it just semi, put a semi. But I'm going to put a semi in mine. I don't want it all taken over with the Italian season. Okay, what I'm doing is getting this all together, blend it, and it's ready. So what we're going to do now, what I'm going to do now is move this out the way for a second. I'm going to get my meatballs. Now, I gave you a recipe on how to do the meatballs. I gave you a recipe, so you know I'm going to leave it up in the link up there so you can find out how to do the meatballs if you're a new subscriber. Okay, what I'm going to do is put some sauce in the bottom of the pan, just like this. with some sauce, like that. And I'm going to put some Parmesan cheese. I don't know why my little, oh, I just dropped that in there. Oh my goodness, this is a regular kitchen, y'all. Just don't be saying, oh, they don't do that on that channel. They just be so professional. Well, I am not professional. I am just someone showing you, try to show you how to do some meals. That's all. Okay, I'm going to put some, this new cheese that I found. And I really do like it. If I can open it up. Yeah. I'm going to put this at the bottom of this. Just some of this cheese. This is 6 Italian cheese. 6 cheese Italian. So I'm going to put some in that like that. Just like that. Okay. And then I'm going to get a lasagna shell. Just like this. And then I'm going to push this to the side. I'm going to count it's clean. I'm going to get a meatball. Get a meatball. And put it in there like that. And I'm going to roll the meatball. Roll it just like this. You see me doing that? I hope y'all see me doing that. I'm going to roll the meatball. And I'm going to sit it up like that. Okay? Do another one. Okay? We're going to do it like this. Show you what it look like. Get a meatball. Put it on the end. Some more sauce. And we're going to roll it just like this. You know, I'm going to roll it just like this. And I'm going to put the cheese on top like this. Yes, I'm going to do the cottage cheese like that because it's going to melt down there in the middle. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to do another one and let you see what I do. Okay, get a lasagna shell and get your meatballs. And make sure you get the same amount of meatballs for the same amount of shells that you're going to use. Just like this. Roll it up. Hope y'all can see this. And stick it in there like that. We're going to add the cheese like that. We'll be right back and let you see how it does with the finish of this rolling. Cause I know y'all want to step here and see me rolling all this up, okay? All right, what we're going to do now, we done got all of them rolled. We have all of them rolled. And the cottage cheese is going to melt down into the lasagna shells and the meatball. So what we're going to do now is get the rest of the remaining sauce and just top it just a little bit like that, just to top it, just like that. Top it like this with the remaining sauce from the meatballs. And just leave a little, not a lot, but just leave a little because in this dish you're going to put some, this is the topping. So what we're going to do, I did sour cream, 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup of sharp cheddar, and 1/4 cup of Italian cheese. The Italian cheese, you can use mozzarella cheese. So we're going to top this like this. We're going to top it like that. And that's going to be our topping. Just like this. It look a mess, y'all, but that's what a mess do. It turns to be something beautiful. Okay, we're going to slide this over a little bit because it done came loose. There you go. And we're going to slide this over like this. Just, it's going to ooze all out. And it's brown. Just like that. And then we're going to, this is a really creamy, a really rich flavor tasting lasagna. And then we're going to put this all to the side, just like this, just a little dab, just like that around. And we're going to put it in the oven at 350 until it's golden brown, like, you know, when the cheese starts turning brown. And that's what we're going to do with this. And we'll be right back with the presentation and let you see what it looked like. I'll show you the meatball lasagna is in sections. So you serve it as you get into it. You see, it comes in sections. Wonderful sections. Look at that. See, that's wonderful section of the meatball spaghetti. It comes in sections, y'all. You see what I'm saying? See, I'll show you how you do it. And you serve it by itself in a little plate. And you can put anything you want on it. So this is Sandra. I want to show you a nice little lasagna called Meatball Lasagna, y'all. And it is fabulous, y'all. It's fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. Don't have me start singing, y'all, because I will. It's cheesy, delicious, and tastes so good. This is Sandra. I want to tell you thank you for coming to my channel.